Kelly, let's do it. 1 to 5, 13 retro box number 5. You go in, you come out in a body bag. Here we go, Kelly. 2013 retro. It's next, War Turtles, right after this one. Box number 91. You're next. This is retro, right? Yeah, you ordered retro, right? Yeah, okay. Making sure. Andrew Sheldon Richardson, Teddy Bruschi, metal. Justin Hunter, Quasars, Marcus Wheaton. Dan Marino, Peyton Manning. Autograph number 1, Jack Doyle, rookie sensation. So much glare here. Hopefully we can see that. Yeah, I need to order another case of that KTM retro basketball. Yeah, completely out. Stefan Taylor. Andre Ellington. Zach Ertz. Kenny. Yep, Kenny Vaccaro. Got a red, and that red is Keenan Allen. Red PMG of Keenan. That one's numbered 81 of 100. Eric Fisher. Premium player, Joe Namath. Hopefully you can see these. Looks like there's a bad sun glare on it right now. Roger Craig. Tavares King, numbered 41 of 150. Jerome Bettis. Steve Young. Tyler Eifert. There's a Herschel Walker EX card. Acetate. AR Dead. Are you Kelly? AR Dead. Zach Ertz. Acetate Drew Bledsoe. Oh, okay, cool. I wasn't putting 2 and 2 together. Peyton Manning, Eric Dickerson. Got a bunch of inserts, acetate cards, all that good stuff. Rookies, your 3 things though. Precious metal, number 200, Andre Ellington, and Jack Doyle. That is it. I appreciate it. AR Dead. See ya.